Welcome to a quick review of the Logitech K750 wireless solar keyboard. We've got it right here, as you can see. There we go. Quite a nice keyboard. You can see the glossy finish, and as you can see, it's really thin, and the design looks a little bit like the iPad. You can see the bevel, and you can see how thin it is. It also has these two little widgets here which help it prop it up. It also has, if you can see it right here, it has an on and off button and a button right here that tells you if it has enough power. Right here. Supposedly it lasts for around 3 months without any light, but from my experience, if you have a big enough monitor, it can actually recharge from the light of the monitor itself, but give it a little bit of sunshine and it will be full battery for 3 months. What more can we say about this keyboard? It comes with a little utility that show you how much light it receives and the current battery levels. Anything else I can think of? It comes with one of those Logitech mini USB plugs, which makes it very useful. So, for example, right now it's connected. Let me grab the camera. Right now you can see it's connected to the side of my computer. It's actually this little pin. It came with this. I think it maybe extends the range a little bit, so I've used that. And speaking of range, I found it to have a range of about 16 feet 5 meters, and when I mean by range, this is a fully functional range. So at this range it worked completely smoothly and basically across the entire room, so I can barely see the monitor, and it still worked great, making it quite nice as a multimedia keyboard for controlling your home theater. Hope you like this review, and come see us again, and maybe see a little bit of video about the future in upcoming videos.